Which variable is the following pseudocode program segment would be considered global? Okay, remember that a global variable is a variable that is created outside of a method. So if I have a method definition here, there's some code that defines the method. And I create the variable, I declare the variable on the outside. For example, int x. Or I can also declare or create a variable on the inside, for example, int y. So notice that the place that you declare it is what it will actually make it global or local. So any variable that is declared on the inside of curly braces, on the inside of a method, will be local to that method. But any variable that is created on the outside of a method will be global to the entire program, which means that not only can it be used inside of the method locally, but it actually has global accessibility, so it can be accessed throughout the entire program, not just locally inside of a specific method. So if we look at all of the variables that are declared here, we see x is declared, we see that y is declared, and we see also z is declared. So there's those three, and there's also here int w. So w is another variable that is declared. Now, notice that w is declared inside of this procedure, which is function 1. Inside of this procedure, if you declare it, this is technically a parameter, which is local. Parameters are local to the method. So that is local. Also, x is declared on the inside of these curly braces for function 1. So x is also local to that function 1. We also see z is declared on the inside of these curly braces of main program. So z is local to the main program procedure right there. Okay, anytime that is created on the inside of curly braces, then that will be local. However, notice that y is declared outside of any curly braces. You see, because the ending of the curly brace, this is function 1, where it starts and stops, open curly brace, close curly brace. And then you have the main program, which starts here at this open curly brace and ends here at the ending curly brace. So notice that y is declared outside of those procedures. So y is the global.